Hi everyone, welcome to my Treasure the What. Hope you are doing good. So you all are already aware that we have entered in the month of May and I'm going to release a prophetic word for this month. So I was asking God for the prophetic word for the month of May and God gave me just one word, which was the word confidence. So the prophetic word for the month of May is the word confidence. After I got this word, I took some time just to sit and talk to God because I wanted Him to tell me more about this word. What exactly did He want me to share? Then God reminded me of Jeremiah 17 verse 7 to 8, which says, "But blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, whose confidence is in Him. They will be like a tree planted by the water that sends out its root by the stream. It does not fear when heat comes. Its leaves are always green. It has no worries in a year of drought and never fails to bear fruit." And as I stayed there waiting and dwelling on these verses, God reminded me of one of the core memories from my life. This was many years ago. Just after I had finished school, I got the opportunity to share about the love of God with some tribal people. I was the kind of person who would go anywhere with absolute confidence and certainty that God would put the right words in my mouth. Words that would speak to the hearts of the people listening. So here I was in a village. I was sitting inside a small house filled with people. It was so crowded that many were standing outside waiting to see and hear what this small 16 years old girl was going to say. And then I shared from these very same verses from Jeremiah 17 7 to 8. And it touched the hearts of all those gathered in that house. When I think about that time, I'm always amazed by the confidence which I carried even at that age and how God was always with me.
Isn't that amazing? Now, after spending so many years of countless hours in God's presence, if there's one thing we are absolutely sure about, it's not just that God exists, but the fact that He is alive. And it is because He is living that He hears us, He responds to us, He speaks to us, and He answers us when we call to Him. And we have witnessed this in many moments of our life. So much so today, trusting in God is no longer just a phrase, it is very much a part of who we are. Every testimony of God's faithfulness in our life has made us so confident that God will always come through for us and we will continuously see amazing things happen in our life. When our confidence is in God, we will not fall because of everything that is going on around us. We will not be shaken by what people tell us or what the doctor's report tells us or what people may think about us. We will stand like a firm tree, deeply rooted, because our confidence in God gives us the strength to believe in His finished work and His faithfulness, through which we can celebrate our victories even before we see them.
Today, if you feel like you have lost your confidence, then I want to remind you that your confidence comes from God.
It comes from knowing who He is and what He can do for you. It comes from knowing that God is a good Father and He always does good for His beloved children.
That confidence will help you to walk in a reality that has not yet manifested and enjoy each day with peace and joy. So I declare this month of May as a month of walking in God's confidence.
Be blessed, everyone.
See you in the next video.
Bye.